Gramin Dak Sevak, Grant of Financial Upgradation, Scheme 2024, GDSFU. The scheme is applicable to the GDS who completed 12, 24 and 36 years of continuous engagement. Means the scheme will not meant for the GDS whose service is below 12 years. Department of Posts declare the scheme on 15th March 2024. The memo of the same is available in description section. Brief history. This is one of the prolonged demand of GDS for financial upgradation in TRCA after certain years of service as applicable to the central government employees. The above demand of the GDS is somehow fulfilled by providing certain fixed amount of financial benefits after continuous engagement of 12, 24 and 36 years. Calculation. After completion of 12 years of continuous engagement, 360 rupees will be added in TRCA as fixed amount. After completion of 24 years of continuous engagement, 360 rupees plus 460 rupees is equal to 820 rupees will be added in TRCA as fixed amount. After completion of 36 years of continuous engagement, 360 rupees plus 460 rupees plus 600 rupees is equal to 1420 rupees will be added in TRCA as fixed amount. Terms and conditions. The upgradation is given on certain terms and conditions. Let's discuss briefly the terms and conditions. 1. GDS should be engaged on regular basis. Have the copy of order of engagement. 2. While counting of 12, 24 and 36 years, continuous engagement years will be counted. Unauthorized absence, put off duty period condoned by competent authority will not be counted. 3. GDS has to complete the refresher training on Dak Karmyogi e-learning platform. 4. Not applicable for GDS on whom disciplinary criminal proceeding are pending, under put off duty, under currency of minor and major penalty other than censure. 5. Recommendation from the unit in charge with special report. Reviewed by the screening committee approving the financial upgradation. Process. One committee of 3 members, officers, will be formed at divisional level for examination of cases for financial upgradation twice in a year and issue the orders. The schedule is as under. On first week of July, cases maturing from January to June, meeting on 15th July, issue of orders before 31st July. On first week of January, cases maturing from July to December of last year, meeting on 15th January, issue of orders before 31st January. As scheme is recently introduced, eligible GDS will get the financial upgradation in TRCA from July 2024 onwards plus arrears amount from 15th March 2024, introduction of the scheme, to 30th June 2024, as TRCA of June 2024 already drawn. Further process will be held as per the schedule. The approx calculated arrears amount is as below. 12 years completed GDS will get the approximate arrear of 1,260 rupees, 24 years 2,870 rupees and 36 years will get 4,970 rupees as 3.5 months arrears amount. Stay with us for further information. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Visit http://gdsall.info for more information. Thank you.